Beautiful flowers in moments is what this is all about. I know you're busy, so what I've done is I've put some collections together to make it easy for you. When you get them home, take them out of their box and lay them out into their groups. Now I'm calling this Magnolia Fall because it just reminds me of the fall. Quick and easy designing. I've got 4 pieces of holly, not holly, olive. Put those into there like so. You can put these in any way that you like, but I like to just put things, you know, what I do on one side I put on the other. I've got some lovely magnolia foliage. I just put that into each side there. I've got these beautiful holly, putting that into there, another bit onto that side, and then another bit into that side. And you can bend these down to whichever way that you want to. Everything's all been cut for you, so that when you put them together, it's all done right. I love these. Look at that. Doesn't that just tell you that fall is here? Beautiful late autumn flowers. Fabulous. One into there. And pretty much what I'm doing here is I'm just stepping these all up as I put them into the container. And any container will do, just whatever you've got. Now, I've got these. Oh, what could be beautiful? Any more beautiful than a beautiful magnolia. Love them. I'm going to bring that up into there, this one over and into here, and you'll find that the foliage will help to keep everything all together. That can go down into there, and then the last thing to go in are going to be the rose hips. Now everything comes with a tag. Do take the tag off, because really at the end of the day the tag is just an identification, so take it off. One rose hip into there and one into there. Easy, easy, easy designing, and I couldn't even see what I did on the other side. Let's take a look.